smoothly. Okay, good. So every time you hear a beep, if you hear it on
Maybe you
this
should
side,
take off your
you're gonna raise this
headphones.
hand.
Yeah.
If you hear it on this side, you're gonna raise the other hand, okay? So every single
Do,
time you hear that beep, if you hear it on this side, you hear it on this side, okay?
she did well?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.